Welcome to another program, Forum for BIT. Today we are going to discuss Information Systems and Technology, a course in the Semester 1, the BIT degree program. It is IT1103. To discuss the details about this course, I have here the course coordinator, Dr. Yamaya Ekanayaka. In this program, we are planning to discuss about Semester 1 exam, which will be very important for all the registered students who are planning to take the exam, and also about the second assignment which you have to do with what we recommended before the exam, and also some practice questions which will help you to do the assignment as well as the final exam. To go into details, let's go first about the Semester 1 exam. As you know, Semester 1 exam has 4 papers, 1 paper for each course, and this particular one, Information Systems and Technology, has a 2-hour MCQ question paper which has around 40 to 60 questions.
Yes, between that number, exactly it should be 45 for this particular course. But usually it is between 45 and 60. For any other course it may be different number.
Okay. So that particular paper covers the whole syllabus, and what about the order of the question in the?
Yeah, typically like you would expect the order, to follow the syllabus, the topics in the syllabus. But here there is no particular order. Okay. So it may start from one topic, and let's say, for example, the first topic, it will have questions, and then move on to the third topic, not following the sequence.
Okay, so that will be useful information. So there is no any specific order, but you should be all these questions are coming from the whole syllabus. And if we move into the marking scheme for this particular paper and all the papers in the Semester 1, the pass mark is 50. So you have to get the 50% out of 100. And in average, if we consider 2 questions, in average, if we consider 2 marks for 1 question, then it means 50 questions, 100 marks. And from this year onwards, there are no negative marks for questions, but you will get negative marks for wrong choices. And because in order to calculate the relevant mark for each question, that is important, but the minimum mark for a question will be 0. For example, if a question has 2 correct answers and 3 wrong answers, wrong choices, and if students, let's say, mark 1 correct and 2 wrong choices, the mark that he is going to get is 0. For the 1 correct choice, he will get 50% plus. For 2 negative choices, he is going to get around 66 minus 66%, but it won't go below the 0. Yes. So therefore there is no negative marks for the questions. But just like in the assignments, we consider those marking. However, the pass mark will be 50% for this particular exam. And those are the important information what you have to keep it in mind. And then if we consider about model paper, Dr. Yamaya, what would you like to add?
Yes, actually if you do the assignment quizzes 1 and 2, that gives an idea of what the final paper would look like. So it's sort of a model paper. The assignment quiz 1 will cover topics covering the first half of the syllabus, that is topics 1 to 5 in this course, and quiz 2 will cover from 6 to 9 the topics. So basically it will be MCQ questions with 5 choices.
So the important message is there is no model paper for this particular course. If you do the assignment quiz 1 and assignment quiz 2 in the LMS that is the best model paper, and we highly recommend you to do it before the exam.
That's right.
And regarding the second assignment, as you said, it covers the second half of the syllabus.
That's right.
Can you add a little bit more details which will be very useful for our students?
Yeah, in this course it's going to be topics covered 6 to 9, and so the students have to do this assignment. We recommend them to do before the final exam, and also and once they do it, like these assignments will be useful to get an idea of what the exam, the real exam, is going to look like. So as we said earlier, it's going to be like a model paper, and also it will, once they complete semester 1 and semester 2 assignments, they will be eligible to get a diploma. If you do not do the assignments, then you are not eligible to get the diploma, the certificate that we are giving. And
so
also
that's a very important, irrespective of the GPA value. In order to get the diploma, you must have successfully completed the assignment.
Yes.
And plus the GPA must be equal or greater than 2.0.
Yes, and also you have to do the semester 1 as well as the semester 2 exams.
Yeah.
And so basically, in order to help the students to do the final exams, assignments are the that will very much help the students in doing the final exam. And also there are practice quizzes they can try online. So for each topic from 1 to 9, there will be practice quizzes they can do on the LMS. And also there are other resources like the reference books, as well as the e-learning material, and also the student manual available in the LMS, which will help students to prepare for the exam.
Okay, so important keyword, the practice quizzes, which will be something very important before you try the assignment, whether it is a first assignment or the second assignment. So in the LMS, in the course page of the LMS, you can see the practice questions appearing for each sections. So in the second half assignment, if you are before taking the second assignment, it is better that if you try all these practice questions which appears on the this LMS page.